the largest privately owned cactus garden in Nevada, right here. It's a banana yucca. Boojum tree. Eve's needle. Purple cake cactus. There are a little purpley. Let's go this way. Name the plant. Nevada ephedra. What species are these? Anyone? Look, it's just a skeleton. I think it's pronounced seguro. So during the holidays at Christmas, you can see there's lights on there. They light up this place. Here's the Joshua tree area. See these Joshua trees? The naming of these was by the early Mormon settlers. They came out this way. They saw these trees with looked like their arms were raised. So they called them Joshua trees after Joshua. Who's Joshua? Joshua was, I believe he was like the Moses' second in command. African sumac tree. The chocolate factory is here, and of course it's from the Mars chocolate family. Ethel M was the grandmother of Forrest Mars, or maybe the mother, I'm not sure. But the Ethel M brand is kind of their higher end brand of chocolates. It's called a Baja Fairy Duster. I remember seeing those as a kid. I'd like to get so where I could identify all these plants. It's a Perry Century plant. Look at these little guys here. They're called paper spine cactus. Here's a silver blue yucca next to them. What is that, cicada? Get that all hollowed out. That would make a good place for birds. It's a twisted acacia tree. It's the airplanes going right above us. This is the chocolate factory area. Let's go inside. Check it out. This is the chocolate factory self-guided tour. Let me get my other camera out and get some closer pictures. Okay, they've improved this place since the last time I was here. It's been upgraded. It's cooling. One of the cooling tables. There's the solar farm that I showed you. It's pretty good. What are they doing over there? Let's zoom in on. This part's more interesting to watch when it's running. It's like the chocolates are driving down this belt. Seen it in the past.